ETP Effluent Treatment Plant is a process designed for treating the industrial wastewater for its reuse or safe disposal to the environment. Influent untreated industrial wastewater. Effluent treated industrial wastewater. Sludge solid part separated from wastewater by ETP. The importance of ETP to clean and recycle industrial wastewater, reducing the amount of fresh or potable water used in industry, to protect the environment from pollution. This plant consists of the following unit: inlet tank, screen chamber, equalization tank, flash mixture and flocculation tank, primary clarifier tank, aeration tank, secondary clarifier tank, filter feed tank, post aeration tank, and discharge. The capacity of this treatment plant is 5 meter cube per hour. This is our inlet tank where the wastewater comes out from the production unit. Through a pump, this wastewater flows to a screen chamber. This is our screen chamber is made of MS with opening of 25 mm square. The purpose of this screen chamber is to remove larger particles from the effluent, control of flow by reducing hydraulic jump, enhancement of efficiency of effluent transfer pumps. After screen chamber, water will go by gravity to lifting tank to well and grease separator by pumping. The tank volume of 100 meter cube, that is 1 hour retention time. Have 3 pump to transfer the water from lifting tank to the next option. The wastewater will be pH adjusted with static mixtures and online feeding mechanism and sprayed into the equalization tank, thus providing a cool down effect necessary for biological requirements. Sufficient retention time is provided 24 hours to equalize and homogenize the variations in the flow and pollutant concentration with aeration in the equalization. Equalized waste is then pumped into the flash mixture and flocculator where coagulant and the polymer is dosed in the flocculation compartment to aid in this process. This is our control room from where the mixture of the chemical dosing and other pump are controlled. This is our lime water tank. It is the ferrous sulfate tank from where ferrous sulfate is dosed to the flash mixture. This is our primary clarifier tank. Primary clarification, also known as sedimentation. Clarifiers work on the principle of gravity settling. The heavier suspended solids settle in the clarifier due to the calm conditions provided in the clarification zone. The settled solids are swept to the center well provided for collection of sludge. This is our aeration tank. Aeration brings water and air in close contact in order to remove dissolved gases and to oxidize dissolved metals. In the aeration tank, bacteria are strictly in the contact with the effluent to be treated for a long lapse of time, that is between 30 and 80 hours. Aerobic bacteria is used to stabilize and remove organic material present in waste. Then after wastewater shall go to the secondary settling tank. Here the suspended solids shall be settled. Sludge shall be removed from bottom. After secondary clarifier, we use two filter vessel for more clean output water. First, we use multigrade filter to remove suspended solid and particle. Then we use activated carbon filter to remove odd. After filtration, the dissolved oxygen is low and cannot meet the standard. So we need post aeration to increase the dissolved oxygen. After post aeration, we get the required standard 5 to 7 ppm. Primary and secondary sludge is dried on the drying beds. Drying takes places by a combination of evaporation and gravity drainage through the sand and a stone. We use the purified water for our gardening.